Hey guys, good day. Welcome to Dayna's kitchen, guys. Today is my son's birthday, guys, and my son and his wife come to visit me, and I'm very excited, guys. So today, guys, I'm making some chicken legs. Oh, guys, I'm gonna french fry my chicken leg, guys. Very simple, very easy. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, guys, please consider to subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, let's start, guys. So this is my chicken legs, okay? So I'm gonna put some vinegar to wash it. So you're gonna need some vinegar. All right, so you're gonna need some. Here you go. Straight in the water. Here, these need to go, so I'm gonna take them off. So you want to clean up your chicken really good. Take off all of these slimy part of your chicken. Okay, so my chicken wash. Now I'm gonna season my chicken. All right, so this is my season that I'm going to use. I'm going to use some paprika. I'm going to use some Friday. I'm going to use some chicken season. I'm going to use some black pepper. I'm going to use some salt, and I'm going to use, guys, some all-purpose season. Okay. All right, guys, so this is what I'm using to fry my drumstick.